Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 9th, our word of the day is convivial. C-O-N-V-I-V-I-A-L. Convivial. Convivial is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Convivial means friendly and makes you feel happy and welcome. Use the adjective convivial to describe your friend who is the life of the party. Similar words include friendly, affable, amiable, cordial, neighborly, hospitable, companionable, gregarious. Examples of sentences using convivial are: Weston was chatty and convivial, and no friend to early separations of any sort. The hiking club attracts a wide range of convivial people who share a love of the outdoors. The mood at the service was convivial but also thoughtful. Jury is convivial, affable and engaging. The vibe was urbane but convivial, everyone appeared to be having a good time. He was intensely private but could be convivial and gregarious in the extreme. Make sure to save this new word, convivial, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.